Menteri Rangba Kejela Ukonrad ke Sangma Hakasantrik Nailar ulapan bina baka sorkar kalabha hadu arspa saupo klur na kebenta ki laisniam ki banwan hapo jangka floriculture mission iway point not da ka jingtmu ban pen kalaya Kejela kum kanong lam khmat ha ka ba penmi ya ki sintiu ki skut hapo kathan syate lami ngi bat hapo kari haba ajing kran ha ka jing le jurep ya ka shnong mau kriya ha East Khasi Hills ha ka jing sinran lang ka menteri ketnat karep karyang ka Dr. Amprin Lingdo bat uba Roni V Lingdo MLA menteri Rangba ulapan pau halor ka thong jong commission ban pen kelaya ka rep sentiu syakalat kamai ka badon ya ka dor bat ka bala ru ban ya le persya ya ka jinglong jingman ha ka sun beneng bat penne ya ka kamai ka ji hadin bala sedang ya ka ha ubnai leber arhajar arfusau ka mission ka temu ban permento ya palat lai hajar ngut ki nong rep da ka ba ai ya ka subsidi ka ba nyo lak tingka ka ba kunthop ha ka ba thit ya ki jingdon kam ki jingtei bat ki jing ai jing hikai hadu menta jan kumbasan spa ngut ki nong rep ki layo jing mentoi lingba ka ne ka program kani kadai ka jing bai tingka ka ba he tam da kino ki sorkar ha ka ba dei bat ka kam rep sentio ha Meghalaya ong menteri Rangba ngi khmit lenti baling ba kani commission kan penmi ya ka jing yo nong kaban kot hadu kumbah nrius pa klur hakini ki khendiat snam ki banwan kani ka scheme kan penle jemut ha ka bathong ki jai sentiu ki baremdor kum ki orchids dendrobium symbodium vanda bat phalaenopsis bat oriental lilium ki bajurba ka jing dawa hapo kari India bat hakiyau hakeleng ka perthai ka jinglong bakerpang jong ka jela ha ka jinglong ka sunbneng ka baya ha ban thong ya kini ki jai sentiu ban penti kena halor ke jing bhabat ke jing la ban penne pensa ka sorkar kala shim ya ke jing atrelang ki artli ki kenhun a jing shakri ki bakanthop ya ka Darjeeling Gardens bat ka North Bengal Floritech ki ban yarap ban ai ki jing bentai ki bakrpang ki tiar ban pendon kam ha ka ban rep ban riang ka jing kershan ha ka bai dei bat ki jing tei bat ban penti kena halor ke jing penya so ya ki yo ki hat lingba ka jing thiet ka bahadu lai snem ki sentiu ki bami ha kathan ki dei ki belapan krek menta da ka bapendon kam da ki buj rep kat kum ke jing start sayan ong menteri Rangba da ka babentram ngidang beteng bante ya ka bor jing klan tenrai jong ka jela bat ngidang thau thamai lingba ka jing ban bhai ya ki rukom trekam ka kam rep sentiu ka dei ka benta jong ka jing yo I jingai ka bakham yar jong ka jela ka bakanthop ya ka jing seiso ki program kum kala ka dong turmeric mission ha ka ba ka jing penmi kala nang kiu na ka 6000 metric ton syaka palat arpho 1000 metric ton ka jing thmu jong ka Meghalaya ha ka liang ka rep karyang ka dei ka basyong nong rim ha ka ba ithu ya ka jinglong bakong san jongi bat ban kentiu ya ki ulong ngi thmu ban kentiu arsya ya ka kamai ka ji jong ki nong rep ban penya pher ha ki rukom im ha ki thain nong kendong bat ban penlong ya ka rep karyang kum umau jam jong ka roi ka par ka bane ban pendap ya ka jing dawa ka banang kiu bat ban kershan bat penyar ya ka jing penmi sentiu ka sorkar ka don ya ka jing thmu ban bu ya ka storage ka bakerpang bat kilat ban penpoi syakeleng ki jaka bakhlain ka jing penmi kini ki jaka kin penti kena halor ke jing penket ha ka por ka babiang ka jing penne ya ka jing baha bat ka jinglong jong ke sentiu bat penyo ya ki yo ki hat ki babiang na ka benta ki nong rep menteri Rangba ula ong ru bakisin jam kum ka CM Farm Plus CM Asho bat kiwe ki dei ki bala kentiu ban ajing kershan ya ki nong rep ha ka leng ka jela Meghalaya
even that other one we can frame and send to them here also through the floriculture mission. Today we are supporting a large number of farmers to put up infrastructure to be able to grow flowers like these. I'm right now here in this farm, in this poly house where we're growing lilium flowers, and it's doing exceptionally well. And there are many farmers who are working very hard, and with a little bit of support from the government today, this is becoming a huge source of income for the farmers. And we will continue to support our farmers. We have tied up with different partners so that we are able to take these products to different parts of the country. And slowly and steadily, this mission is becoming a really, in one way, a successful mission where a large number of farmers are benefiting. I also want to share with you that when it came to the lilium flowers, we have been told that the quality of the flowers grown here in Meghalaya is one of the best in the country. because of the kind of soil, the kind of climatic conditions that are there. The buyers are preferring flowers from here, from our state of Meghalaya. So I also take this opportunity to encourage other farmers. Take this opportunity. The government is supporting you under the floriculture mission. Large number of farmers will be supported. Close to 240 crores has been budgeted for this. And through this, we hope to really help our farmers and bring a huge difference in the farmers' lives. Thank you very much.